back to another video. We are downtown Seattle and we've just been through this like gum wall thing. Is like disgusting. Oh look, everyone, we're getting a photo.
Everyone here? Yeah?
And yeah, it's like kind of gross, like really gross. It's all bubble gum or like chewing gum. That's up. But yeah, we're downtown Seattle and see where we go. Alright, so we've made it out here back to the track and there's like a Grassroots day on. Just hanging out here with Alex and his friends. They've all got sick cars. All like some cool S chassis, a Z. Whoa, trying to hold an umbrella is tough because it's like 90 something degrees, which is like 30 something. So it's really hot, but yeah, it's this one's right hand drive, the orange one. And then yeah, the boys have got some sick rides. Tyler's car's over there. There's an Altezza. It's pretty fucking sick. These guys are just chilling. It's so hot. But yeah, bit of Beamer action. But this is Alex's S14. I think I showed you guys in the last video. So it's like a KA. Yeah, look at this roof. It's got a cool flame job and flake on the roof. Sick. Yeah, so this is Tyler's car. He did Drift Week with us in the G. But yeah, just a stock 1J. And he said the only crazy part about it is it has a G-Force GSR gearbox. But other than that, it's pretty stock. FTF up the front. Just looks cool, goes well, and yeah, just a good fun car to drive. Looks beautiful. Alright, we're gonna go for a lap then. Jump on in here, hopefully we can get out there. It's crazy, just jump in, no worries. So yeah, the pretty sick Altezza. It's got an LS in it, so not happy about that, but we'll let him off because it looks cool. It's yeah, slammed, looks cool, good fitment. It's great. And Tyler's car's cool. It's like 450 wheel, but with a 265 semi is like grippy as shit. And no, it's fucking, that was a cool little ride. They just changed the track from the cool layout to the dumb one, so that was a bit of a shame, but still cool. Go for a drive and you just jump in, like no worries. T-shirt and shorts, dream result. So like a 4-seater buggy thing. Check out these crazy cars. Unreal, look at this. What the hell? I don't know what its started life is, but oh, maybe a Z? So Brandon's here to pick us up in his bloody truck. Like, go on, get up there, you blow a hip. Blow a hip. So Brandon's here to save the day. Wow, taxi! Wow, this is nice. Whew. No, Rome will be fun.
Look at the sticker I wanted to.
And it's a carbon, like, work hat, hard hat. What the hell?
Could we please stop at that?
That's crazy. Yeah, we definitely need one of these in New Zealand. Yeah, I like it because it's not a dually. It's beautiful. Big Duramax. Whew. Alright, we're at another airport. Off to New York. Well, we made it to New York and look at this bloody rig. Goodness me. Okay, so a bit of an update. We have done an all-nighter to New York and we are just about to get on the subway because an Uber to downtown is 180 US dollars. So that's not going to work. So yeah, we're just going to get on the subway and just kind of do as cheap as we can and try and see as much as we can. Super hungry, super tired, but yeah, just got to thug it out today and make it work. Also a bit of a problem, our bloody wheel bearings have had a bit of a blowout and they're not happy and we can't drop our bags anywhere, so we've got to drag them around all day. So we're a bit of a camber gang going on the bag, fuck. Oh well, hold on. Alright, so sorry, bit of a jumpy video. It's been a hell of a day. Been sleeping like in each vehicle that we get into, whether it be an Uber or a train or whatever. So yeah, we've just got to New Haven from New York. We got a train, took about 2 and a bit hours. So now we're just waiting for an Uber and we're heading back to the shop. We'll catch up with the boys and yeah, we're wrecked. We've been like snoozing. We're having 10-minute naps and stuff. It's been low-key embarrassing, but it's funny, it's all good. But yeah, time to head back to the shop. Yeah, I don't know what this video has actually got on it. There's so many things and we're so exhausted, but we'll have a good sleep tonight and get back into routine tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be back at the shop shortly and yeah, we're just waiting for Hector in his Honda CR-V to come and get us, and we should be good. Hello, we've made it back to the shop, and the boys got home from Virginia this morning at like 4 or I think they got in at 4 AM, so they're feeling a little dusty like we are. So yeah, they took the yellow 15 and then the S13, but I believe, I actually haven't watched the video yet, but I believe Jimmy blew this up. So they picked up a new engine because this one I think is fucked, and then they picked up the struts for the R34, and then they've got a whole bunch of tyres here for, I'm guessing, Gridlife that's coming up. So yeah, wowee. So we're all, I think everyone's pretty wrecked, but everyone's just thugging it out, trying to keep things moving, because the moment we stop, we're just gonna die. But look, the LS is all sorted. I'm sure all of you guys watch Jimmy's channel, but yeah, got the LS, all the accessories on it and whatnot. I haven't watched that video either. We've been so far behind, just because we just have not had time to watch anything. So it's yeah, all good. Wowee, like it's, excuse me guys if I am a little bit flat or not as enthusiastic, because yeah, I've had probably 2 hours sleep in the last 30 hours or so, and they're just naps in the bloody Ubers and trains and stuff. So yeah, oh, it's all good. Ain't this the fun life? So Steph's had to jump in the FD to go home because our luggage doesn't fit in the boot of the BRZ. So I'm a loner. Sheesh, it's hot. Alright guys, we're just driving home now. It's time to head back and get some sleep and reset for a big week ahead. Obviously we've got Gridlife coming up this weekend. Hopefully the camera's not too shaky, but just chilling up on the dash. But yeah, it's been a massive, we've been away for maybe, what, 5 or 6 days, and it's been sick. So yeah, massive shout out to Rome and everyone that we met out there. It's been amazing. So yeah, super stoked to be hanging out with all these cool people, and yeah, it's just fucking amazing. So yeah, we're wrecked. Like, it's just crazy how fucking tired we are, but we're gonna go get some sleep and yeah, reset all again and start again tomorrow. So yeah, hope this video isn't too, well, it's all over the place, but hopefully it kind of makes sense or whatever. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching, really do appreciate it, and yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next one. Alright, catch up.